Yeah, it's a pretty big deal. Parents are in India and you are here, and you basically go through the guilt roller coaster ride. Anyway, the way to handle it is you need to get. It will take you 5 years, 4 5 years in every strategy. Will get green card. You'll get green card in 4 5 years. If you get married here, let's say you come here at the age of 22 and then you get married here, then you will get the green card by the age of 24. By 29 you will be having citizenship. So I've seen some people like that, especially among Sikh Punjabi community. They would get their parents, and by 29 they'll be having their parents here. Their parents would be hardly in 50s. So point is, if the parents are in 50s now, then they should come here and you should get them here as soon as possible. Right? That's how that it will definitely work out really well if your parents are in 50s, because they have a lot of time to make their own connections. They can develop some skill set and make their own money, $12,000 per month. It's very easy for them also to make that money, and they will basically, collect some money by the time they are in 70s. So they'll be living a very good life, and obviously they should stay with you, and they'll be able to basically make very good money that way. So from that angle, the very important point is, if the parents can come here as soon as possible. One other thing, I'm just thinking out of the box here. Because as part of my CSF formula, you can get Canadian citizenship as soon as possible also, right? So because you get Canadian citizenship within 5 years, whereas it takes minimum of 10 years, because, right, through investor visa it gets minimum of 5 years, and with the this thing you take about 8-9 years. With investor visa, 5 years in green card and 5 years in citizenship. So 10-12 years. It will take some time to get all that. There will be few delays also. 11-12 years it will take for you to get your parents here. In Canada, in a short fashion, you can take your parents with you, even on PR basis. You can take them with you. Yeah, I forgot that one. So it won't take 5 years. It will take just maybe 1 year, because with $100,000 you can get the investor's visa for them, and of Canada, and then they can get their PR along with you, and then they can go with you. When they go with you in Canada, they will also become citizen with you, right? When they become citizen with you, and this is pretty good idea actually. They'll become citizen with you, then you can take them with you to America, and then they can also pursue the green card through whatever channel you are pursuing. If the expenses double, you may consider lessening the expense, but yeah. So once they're Canadian citizens now, they'll be having unlimited opportunity to visit this country. They can keep being here. One of the strategies is, many people do that. They live on the border, like they live in the Vancouver, and then they live in Washington State. And then what happens is, whenever it's easy, just they can drive to Canada and come back, right? So they manage this life this way. So this is the way. If you are in 20s, you can get your parents with you who are in their late 40s, and you can get them with you. But if you don't do all these things, if you're not able to convince your parents to live their glorified life in India at the age of 50, because they have good life in India, right? Remember, I always say that life in India is better. Acha. First, I'm not in favor of migrating to America anyway, right? I told you several times. I made a video saying, why we migrated, how much money we made in comparison to India back in those days, and how much money do you guys make. Now that you've come here, it's better that you follow my CSF, Complete Success Formula principles. Otherwise, your life will be hell. And this is one part of the formula that will make your life really awesome and your parents' life really awesome. One of the good strategies I recommend is you make a set of 3-4 friends and plan to. So this is one of the part of the CSF too. You figure out a city, you pick a city in America and you settle there. The reason you need to pick a city is because your real estate investments, if you do any, there are few real estate investments that I always say that real estate investment is not a good investment. But let's say you want to buy a hotel, I always prefer that, right? So basically many of these things would be really something doable only if you are in one city. If you're roaming around, you will not be able to do it. So as part of CS strategy, you need to finalize a city and get settled there. And then 3 or 4 of you should get settled in one place. So now marrying it with this strategy, 3 or 4 of you should get together, and then make sure your parents also come together. Then only they will be able to live an organically good life. First there will be 4 of them, and then 8 of them. You're 3 or 4, right? So for 8 parents, and then all those 8 parents will be able to make more friends, and then start to have a social circle, start to have some kind of entertainment, and obviously if you follow CSF principles, they'll be able to make money also, $12,000 a month, right? So these are the ways you should, basically ensure that your parents are with you. Otherwise, you'll be living a very guilty life at the age of 70 and a fucked up life. It's not easy. I'm telling you, it's not easy, and it's really very bad. And when it happens, it just hits you so much that you can't even imagine. All right, guys, thank you.